Every evening, Mr. Henry walks to the park near his house. He is an old man with white hair and kind eyes. He always sits on the same bench under a big tree. Next to him is an empty chair. People often see him there smiling quietly at the sky. One day, a young boy named Sam sees Mr. Henry sitting alone. Sam walks closer and asks, "Sir, why is that chair always empty?" Mr. Henry smiles and says softly, "That chair is for my wife, Mary. She used to sit there with me every evening." The boy looks surprised. "Where is she now?" he asks. Mr. Henry looks at the sky and says, "She passed away 2 years ago. But we used to come here together every day. We watched the sunset, talked about life, and laughed. This was our favorite place." Sam stays quiet for a moment. Then he says, "You still come here every day?" "Yes," Mr. Henry nods. "When I sit here, I feel like she's still with me. I remember her smile, her voice, and all our happy moments. The chair is empty, but my heart is full." Sam smiles gently and says, "That's very sweet, sir." Mr. Henry looks at him and replies, "When you love someone, they never really leave. Love stays here." He touches his heart and smiles again. The boy sits next to him for a while. They both watch the sunset, one remembering love, the other learning what love means.